strong.
Hakaway pat kaliang, habalawan poi hanong ba Shillong, lapdiang ngau bahaya ka Presiden Kari ka Droupadi Murmu, da ulat gejala u pagucauhan, bad u Menteri Rangba gejala u Konrad ke Sangma. Lapdiang ngau bahaya ka, hakajingwan Jngoh ka baningkong jongka, ya gejala Meghalaya. Hadian kani kala Leit kalau kentang Mawphlang, kaba nakabenta kiwe di program hakaba kala pli perda ya ka surak rongjeng mangzang adokre kabala penhe ya ka surak mairang rani go down azra bat bu mau nong rimru na kabenta ka Shillong peak rupwe bat ya ka jaka sa kinong wan Jngoh kai perthei ha ka snong kong thong mau lengot bat ku deng rim lengba ka video conference hagajing ai jingkren jongka kalai ro ikajing start bat jing shampang jong kilong shwa manchwa gajala namar ba kisngau tho ya kajing kongsan jong kajing penne pensa ya ki klau ki betap da ka ba ong ba ngidei banyale shitam ban penne pensa ya kum kini ki klau ki balong kum kaspa jong kamei mariang hakawei pat ka benta lapen kre ru ya ka cultural program ha Raj Bhawan ha ka ba ka president kalalong ka kongsan ka president kan sa ha Raj Bhawan na benta shimit but consulate pai pat Chanong ba Delhi ha ka step
than the Mawphlang Sacred Grove. The Mawphlang Sacred Grove is not just an iconic tourist attraction of Meghalaya. It is also a symbol of our rich cultural heritage, our ethos of being one with nature, which has been preserved and protected.
I am happy to know that Meghalaya has been making a determined effort to emerge as a model state and offering a balanced approach to modernity and tradition. With good FDI inflows, high efforts, and a dynamic demography, Meghalaya is emerging as a growth leader and offers an inspiring story.